We are sitting ducks in Courthouse Park.
That fear prompting City Attorney Andrew Jans to hold a press conference in downtown Fresno. He wants policy pathways and programs in support of eligible attorneys carrying concealed weapons on the job.
I am authorizing my attorneys at the City Attorney's Office, specifically my prosecutors and investigators, to be able to carry firearms if they are licensed through the county process and they hold a valid CCW.
He says the guns will be properly stored when they're not in use.
For far too long, it's been known that prosecutors are unarmed, that we walk around without protection, and I want that to end today.
The push is connected to last week's violent stabbing of a senior deputy district attorney.
This wasn't the first incident in Courthouse Park involving a prosecutor. Several years ago, a prosecutor was accosted.
Jans also pointing to his own experience, saying a man showed up to his home with a knife back in May. Monday morning, a judge granted a 5-year restraining order against Larry Torres, the accused trespasser.
If you watch any of the videos, he was there to cause me harm.
Madera County District Attorney Sally Moreno says they had a family law lawyer who experienced violence in an Oakhurst courtroom.
There are those scary moments when you're walking down the aisle in Costco. You recognize somebody, and for me, it's like, uh-oh, do I know that person? Because they're a good person, they were on my jury, or do I know that person because I sent them or their family member to prison? Anytime you're dealing with the legal system, you're dealing with high emotions. So we mitigate the risk as best we can.
That includes a secured building and parking area, along with their own DA investigators who walk with anyone feeling like they're in danger.
I don't know. I mean, I guess I could carry my own gun. It's a lot of hassle given the risk and given the fact that I can have an armed person or two walk me to court anytime I feel the need.
Sydney Charles, KSEE24, local news that matters.